Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today we are back with another video. So today I'm gonna show you how you can remove FRP in Vivo Y21 in preloader mode using unlock tool. So let's begin. You connect the Wi-Fi first. Yeah, connected. It's very simple. It's not too much hard. The unlock tool you can download from I will add the link in description, so you can download from there, and you can also buy the license for this tool from official website unlocktool.com. I will mention there. Sometimes it take times. It's depend on your network. Today my network is little bit low, so never mind. Click on don't copy. Here it gives you two options. You can use your password or Google account, and you know that we don't know both of them, so we're gonna remove it using unlock tool. Here you can see there is a Google account inside this phone, which you call factory reset protection. So now simply just switch off this device, then open the unlock tool, and let me show you. Switch it off. Yep. Now go to the unlock tool and go into the Vivo tab and search Vivo Y21. Yeah, this one. Select this one, first one. Yeah, now click on preloader. It is FRP. Now grab your phone. Simply just press and hold the power volume down button and insert the USB cable. Your phone will be connected in the preloader mode. Like here you are. Finished. Simple as it. Now your phone will be switch on itself. After that you just need to activate just like a new phone. If you got any issue to how to activate, so you must watch till the end, so you can see step by step how to activate your phone after you erase FRP. Yeah, it's on now. Now let's activate this phone. Select country. Now this will take time again because of my network. Yeah, don't copy. Yeah, it's gonna take time. Yeah, now you can skip the Google account. No. Yeah. Yeah, you can see our Vivo Y21 is bypassed factory activation protection is successfully done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.